Unleash your creativity like never before with prompt-based image generation in CorelDRAW and Corel Photo Paint. The new and innovative AI Generate Docker empowers you to conjure up images from text prompts, add a reference image, and fine-tune your masterpiece by selecting your preferred style, color palette, and the exact number of images you wish to produce. The AI Generate Docker is normally open by default, but if you need to open it, just click on the AI Generate command in the standard toolbar. We'll start at the top of the Docker. For more information about AI tools, credits, and legal, click on the Information tab. These two icons on the left will enable us to create either a new prompt-generated image or alternatively use a reference image or sketch. Or we can remix an existing image, again using prompts. We'll start by choosing an AI model to generate our image. Let's now go ahead and create an image using a text prompt, which I can type or copy into the prompt box. If I'm stuck for ideas, I can click on the Inspire Me icon to see some examples of effective prompts. Before we hit the Generate button at the bottom of the Docker, check the aspect ratio to make sure that the final image is in the right format. Note, each time you click Generate, a new set of images is inserted over the current results. Let's hit the Generate button. That's a great result. Let's choose another model, Nano Banana, and generate another version. Bring your boldest ideas to life simply by describing them. Watch as advanced generative AI transforms your words into stunning visuals in an instant. Before generating new images, make sure to clear any previous settings or choose new settings. Aside from generating new images using a prompt, the AI Generate Docker also offers a second workflow, remixing an image. Click the Remix Image icon to modify an existing image while keeping its key elements intact. For example, you could turn a summer landscape into a winter one, update a brochure, social media banner, or promotional poster for a seasonal campaign while preserving the brand's logo and identity. This workflow is perfect for iterating on designs, experimenting with styles, or creating new versions while building upon existing visuals. I'm now going to load an AI-generated logo that I created earlier into the source image field. In the prompt window, I'll now type a new prompt and choose one of the available models. This is great for quickly creating mockups of designs to show to clients. Let's now try replacing the background of an image. Instead of importing an image, I'll click on this icon to source the image from the current document. I can also quickly take a hand-drawn sketch and turn it, in seconds, into a work of art. Let's take this black and white sketch of a laughing woman. I'll load this from the document into the source window and add a prompt. The result is fantastic. Finally, old photos are precious memories, and retouching photos to remove tears, scratches, missing areas, etc. can be very time-consuming if done manually. With the AI Remix feature in CorelDRAW and Corel Photo Paint, old photos can now be restored in an instant. As a final note, CorelDRAW Graphics Suite subscribers are allocated 2,000 credits each month that can be used for AI image generation or remixing. Recurring credits are allocated monthly and reset at the start of the month. Perpetual license holders receive a one-time balance of 2,000 credits, but extra credits are available to purchase as either a one-time purchase or a credit subscription. Click on the Information tab to see your current credit balance, and if needed, purchase additional credits. AI Generate was built to accelerate ideation, spark inspiration, and improve your workflow. Now it's your turn to explore, experiment, and create something uniquely yours.